What if I told you the greatest wonders on Earth weren't built by humans? They were shaped by time, water, fire, and patience. No machines, no architects, just nature at its most powerful. In 2011, millions of people across the world voted to choose the new 7 wonders of nature, places so extraordinary they represent the raw beauty and strength of our planet. From ancient jungles to underground rivers, frozen mountains to endless bays, these wonders remind us that Earth doesn't need decoration. It already is the masterpiece. Let's begin the journey. Number 7. Amazon Rainforest, South America. Often called the lungs of the Earth, the Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on the planet. Stretching across 9 countries, it produces nearly 20% of the world's oxygen and is home to millions of plant and animal species, many still undiscovered. Every second, life is being born, hunted, and recycled. Tribes live here who have never contacted the modern world. The Amazon isn't just a forest, it's a living system that helps regulate Earth's climate. Without it, the planet itself would struggle to breathe. Number 6. Halong Bay, Vietnam. More than 1,600 limestone islands rise sharply from emerald green waters. Halong Bay looks like something pulled from mythology. Fog drifts between stone pillars, and quiet fishing boats glide through narrow channels. These formations were shaped over 500 million years by wind and water. Hidden caves, floating villages, and secret lagoons make the bay feel timeless. Here, nature moves slowly and rewards those who slow down with it. Number 5. Iguazu Falls, Argentina and Brazil. Imagine standing before 275 waterfalls crashing at once. Iguazu Falls stretches nearly 3 kilometers wide, making it one of the largest waterfall systems on Earth. The roar is thunderous. Mist fills the air. Rainbows form constantly in the spray. Unlike a single waterfall, Iguazu surrounds you from every angle. It's not just a sight, it's an experience that overwhelms the senses. Number 4. Jeju Island, South Korea. Born from volcanic fire, Jeju Island is a land shaped by eruptions, lava tunnels, and black sand beaches. At its center stands Halong, South Korea's highest mountain. Underground, some of the world's longest lava tunnels twist through solid rock. Jeju shows how destruction can lead to beauty. Fire didn't ruin this land, it created it. That's the power of nature's balance. Number 3. Table Mountain, South Africa. Rising flat and wide above Cape Town, Table Mountain looks like a giant stone table set for the sky. Clouds often roll over its edge like a white tablecloth, a phenomenon locals call the tablecloth cloud. The mountain is over 600 million years old, making it one of the oldest on Earth. From the top, you can see oceans, cities, and endless horizons, a reminder of how nature and humanity share the same space. Number 2. Komodo Island, Indonesia. This is where dragons still exist. Komodo Island is home to the Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth. These ancient predators can grow over 3 meters long and have roamed the islands for millions of years. But Komodo isn't just about danger. Crystal clear waters, coral reefs, and pink sand beaches surround the island. It's a rare place where beauty and fear coexist, perfectly balanced. Number 1. Puerto Princesa Underground River, Philippines. Hidden beneath a mountain lies one of Earth's greatest secrets. The Puerto Princesa Underground River flows over 8 kilometers underground, passing through massive caves filled with stalactites and echoing chambers. Parts of the river are still unexplored. As your boat drifts through darkness, guided only by light, you realize how much of our planet remains unknown. This wonder reminds us of a simple truth: the most incredible places are sometimes hidden from sight. Why these wonders matter. These 7 places were chosen not just for beauty, but for what they represent: life, balance, time, and survival. They show us what Earth can create when left in harmony with itself. But many of these wonders are fragile. Climate change, pollution, and human activity threaten them every day. Protecting them isn't optional, it's essential. We often search the universe for miracles while standing on one. From rainforests that breathe to rivers that flow through mountains, Earth is still full of magic. The question is not, are these wonders real? The question is, will we protect them long enough for future generations to see them?